Hi, I'm Radesh Stalash, creator of the Magic Hour. Welcome. I am honored and excited that you have decided to take on this workout program. The Magic Hour will transform your body and your life. It will be one of the most challenging workouts you've ever done, physically and mentally. You'll create results most people can only dream about. This is not just another fitness program. This is a workout for your life. While most fitness programs focus only on your body, this program will train your body and your mind and help you to achieve your goals through visualization and daily goal setting. This program has already transformed many lives and will do the same for you. Each workout has 4 parts, and I describe those 4 parts with these 4 words: health, clarity, vision, and results. Health, 40-minute workout. Using strength and interval training, you will lose weight and tone your body. Clarity, 10-minute meditation. Through meditation, you will reduce anxiety, release fear, and calm your nervous system. Vision, 5-minute visualization. This is where you'll bring your dreams and goals into reality within your mind. You will create an exciting and compelling vision for your life. Results, 5 minutes of daily goal setting. This is where you'll set daily goals that will bring you closer to your vision. This program includes 5 one-hour workout DVDs, workout calendar, nutrition guide, the success journal, Fit Square, and a few gifts depending which package you purchased. What's needed? Mat, a set of dumbbells. It might be helpful if you have 2 sets of dumbbells, 1 lighter set and 1 heavier, so that you can select the right weight for each exercise. Water to stay hydrated, a towel, and a commitment to create results. I'd like to give you a few tips for each part of the workout to ensure you get the most out of the program. Be sure to consult with your physician before you start the program. Number 1, exercise. I designed this program for all fitness levels. The workouts consist of strength training, cardiovascular moves, and plyometric drills designed for the maximum results. In each workout, I have assigned a modifier which will show you a less intense version of the moves. Follow the modifier until you are ready to progress. I want you to challenge yourself throughout the workouts. Know your limits and be sure to pace yourself throughout the entire workout. Number 2, meditation. This portion of the workout for some of you might be even more challenging than the physical exercises. As with anything else we do, it takes practice and time. If you sit on the ground, on a pillow or yoga block, make sure that your knees are below your hips and in contact with the floor. Otherwise, your back will be collapsed. You can have your legs folded in front of you or by your side and then the pillow between your legs. Also, if you're not comfortable sitting on the ground, you can sit on the chair with a firm base. Sit straight up. Imagine it as if there is a string attached to the top of your head and you're being pulled upward toward the ceiling. Your hands can be placed on top of your thighs or in your lap. Eyes are closed. All other instructions will be provided to you during the exercise. Number 3, visualization. Visualization is right after meditation. For this portion, gently transition from seated posture to lying down on your back completely flat, your arms by your sides, palms open, facing the ceiling. Make yourself very comfortably. Relax completely, close your eyes, and notice your breathing. This is where you will take your goals and visualize them as if they have already been accomplished. There'll be more instructions on how to visualize during the workouts. But the most important thing is to remember that during the visualization portion of the workout, you can be, do, and have anything you want. The possibilities are endless, and only you can put limit what's possible. If during the visualization portion you come up with a goal or an idea, then add that to your goals list or your vision board in your success journal right after the workout. Number 4, daily goal setting. Make sure you have your success journal handy. It's important that you set your daily goals right after the visualization portion. Stretch yourself and set ambitious goals. At the same time, stretch just enough to where you can still accomplish them. Set yourself up to win. I am just as excited as you are to begin on this journey together. Let's get started and create incredible results for you, your family, and the world around you.